you're like me, you like furniture in your house. Here's how to add it. Over here under the Architecture tab, I'm going to click on Component. When I'm in Component, you'll see that some things pop up. For example, this desk, or this American Beech deciduous tree. But what if you don't want an American Beech deciduous tree? What if you don't want a deciduous tree at all? Well, there are other things that you can add. Come over here to Load Family. You will see that there are all of these things that you can click and open up. So, if I wanted a door, I could click on Door, and look at all these doors that pop up. If I wanted a furniture, look at all this furniture that pops up. You want more? Click on one of these. Wow, check out that sofa. Pretty great. I'm going to go ahead and click Open. And now I will be able to place it wherever I want. But, hey teacher, it's pointing the wrong way. Click Spacebar. It will rotate it for you. Place. Look at that. Looks like some fun family fun's going to happen there. Next time.